In today's video, I want to clear up some confusion around how to price your services, especially when you are offering organizing services to clients. That is going to be the topic of today's video. Hey, my friends, if you're new to me and my channel, this is Kelly Schaefer. I am the creator of the Concierge Academy. I help local businesses market more successfully so that they get more clients, make more money, and have a greater impact in their local community. And if you're new to my channel, hit up the like button and make sure that you subscribe. This way you don't miss any of our upcoming episodes. Okay. Today, I just want to talk about organizing services. So a lot of people come into my world. They are different types of helpers. They're concierges. They're senior concierges. They are organizers. They do some home care. They do personal assistant services, lifestyle management. And today, I want to really hone in on if you offer organizing and organizing sessions solely like as a package to your clients, some things that I have learned along the way. So one of the things I've learned along the way is about selling your packages in either a 3-hour or a 4-hour block of time. So it's basically a session that you would sell to your clients. You could sell them in 3-hour sessions or 4-hour sessions. Now, when is it right to offer one over the other? So when I was doing boots on the ground work and I was trying to fit in 2 clients a day, I offered 3-hour sessions. Here's why. I could get my kids on the bus in the morning. I would offer a 3-hour session. Let's say I worked with a client from 9 to 12. From 12 to 1, I would have maybe a little bit of a break to have lunch or just run an errand for myself. And then I would start the next client at 1 and work with that client from 1 to 3, and then get back home and take care of the kids and dinner and all the stuff. So you can offer 3-hour sessions, and most people can do 2 3-hour sessions within one day. 3-hour sessions also work really well with seniors. Sometimes they even need a 2-hour session. The reason why is because they can get easily overwhelmed and they lose focus. The way I've always worked with seniors, though, is I've always done 3-hour sessions. And we just made sure that we had little breaks in between and made it easier so that they could hang in there for the full 3 hours. And you'll figure that out in your own flow once you start working with clients like in the field in real life. I also love offering 4-hour sessions. So also in the beginning, I offered 4-hour sessions. What this allowed me to do is when my kids had different hours, because when I started my business, my kids were young, I would schedule 1 session a day, and I wanted to make the most of my day and make the most of my time, my clients' time, and us working on the project. So when I did 4-hour sessions, I often scheduled them from 10 to 2. Again, this allowed me to get up in the morning, get the kids on the bus, take care of the kids, run back home, do what I had to do, go work with a client from 10 to 2, come back home, be home in time for kids to get off of the bus. So just be aware that over 4 hours, most people who don't do organizing for a living, and even you, can begin to lose energy and focus over that 4-hour time frame. So my recommendation is figure out, what do your hours look like? What does your availability look like? Are you trying to fit 2 sessions in every day? Are you just trying to get 1 session in every day? And start there. And then the other thing that I want to encourage you to do is consider, what would it look like to sell a package? Most times when I would meet a client and they needed organizing help, oftentimes 1 session, a 4-hour session, would not be enough time to do more than 1 space. It's really going to depend on the space that you're organizing, on how quickly they can make decisions. And so offering a 2 or 3 session package is really valuable for them and for you, so that you can really complete a job. Okay. And the reason why it's really valuable for them is that they get through the project that they want to achieve in the time that they're working with you. Now, of course, if the job takes a little bit longer, you can always add another session on at the end, but you'll get really good at discerning upfront how many sessions or how many hours it actually takes you to help a client organize and go through, let's say, a pantry versus a kitchen versus a master bedroom versus a kid playroom versus a decade worth of files and old paperwork. You will develop that skill of knowing how to project plan and how to plan out how long that project will take once you start actually doing that work. A big mistake that I think a lot of people make when they start organizing for other people is, if you generally are an organized person and can organize yourself easily, you can say to yourself, oh, I can get through that pantry in 2 hours. The problem is, you know how fast you make decisions. You are an organized person who can perhaps go through things very quickly, whereas most people who are going to hire you don't have that skill set. So it does take them longer, which is why they're not naturally organized to begin with. And not all people are naturally organized in this way. So what might take you 2 or 3 hours to organize might take you helping to organize somebody 4 or 5 hours. And again, over time, when you start working with clients, you'll figure that out for yourself, because your clients, you need to work with them when you're doing organizing. You don't want to just put things away the way you would do it for yourself, because if that is not a process that they'll be able to keep up with, or you name the files in a way that they'll never think of naming those files, or you organize the pantry in a way that they'll never think to put things back that way, you're actually doing your clients a disservice when you're organizing with clients. Part of organizing is not just organizing their space, it's helping them be organized in the space. Okay, my friends, now, if you need some additional help on how to grow your business this year, I'm going to put a link below to 20 low cost to free ways that you can promote your business to get out there more this year, to get more clients, so that you can help more clients and help the people in your local community. All right, my friends, bye for now.